Hi, Judd here. It's 6 o'clock now. It's been very hot today, and plus I was very achy today. So I'm just getting out now because it's now cooler outside than inside. Because I'm aching to do something. So we're going to have a nice easy go at this and just take whatever I get. Little break there, now back to work. And another little break and another back to work. Wow, looks like we got some heavy weather coming in. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. What a beautiful sight. But those are big dark clouds coming in. And I'll tell you, a little rain would be very welcome. Great lighting, though. Look at the lighting. Oh, my God, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Yeah. Sun's hidden now. It's not down, but it's hidden. And just got that. But I got 2 more piles to go here. We'll see what we get. Man, you just gotta get a load of this. Look at that sky. Wow. Okay. Oh man, that's awesome. That is awesome. Doesn't look like we're getting rain now, just a big dark cloud passing over. That's awesome. What a sky, what a sky. Whew. 1 more load to go. And here comes the rain. Not very much, pretty light, but it's rain. And we'll take. Oh, I just saw lightning. Oh, baby. Wow. Ah, look at that, baby. Ah. Ah. Pretty good, pretty good. Pretty neat, pretty neat. Wow. Got a very light sprinkle going on. But better yet, we've got a big pile of debris over there, and we've got nothing left here but some grass trimming and some trunk chopping. But all the branches, all the cut branches and everything are out of there now. And so ready to move on to the next stage of that. And here's looking down from my Silvestri palm, straight down the line. You see we're free and clear all the way to the corner there. Actually, if we line the Silvestri palm with the corner, there you go. So mission accomplished, almost. That phase of the mission accomplished. I'm rambling. I'm glad that's happening. I'm glad that's done. That part of it is done, and I'm glad it's raining. Although they could do a lot better than this. Happy day to you.